Yo, peep the style and the kids checking for it. The number one question is how could you ignore it? We drop right back in the cut, over basement tracks with raps that got you backing us up like rewind that. We're just rolling with the rhythm, rise from the ashes of stylistic division. With these non-stop lyrics of life living, not to be forgotten but still unforgiven. But in the meantime there are those who wanna talk this and that. So I suppose that it gets to a point where feelings gotta get hurt and get dirty with the people spreading the dirt.
I'm having trouble trying to sleep. I'm counting sheep but running out.
Took the midnight train going anywhere.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
These words are my own.
Stop addicted to the shindig.
I'm just a kid and life is a nightmare.
Summertime and the living's easy. Riders on the microphone, raw 7G.
There's every good reason for letting you go. She's sneaky and smoked out, and it's starting to show.
Let's start a riot. A riot. Let's start a riot. Let's start a riot. A riot. Let's start a riot.
I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me